Like the restaurant last night.
Yeah, I'm not very adventurous like in my own neighbourhood. I'm not in the habit of spending money. So I don't go to places where money has to be spent because I've never had any money to spend. Oh.
Welcome viewers.
Oh,
special treat. Special treat. You got Nurse in the car now. Special treat in this episode. I know at the beginning I said we haven't done much, but we decided to, after my foot got operated on, which I told you about, decided to just grab the trailer, the van, sorry, not the trailer, the van.
The what?
The van.
Panda 13.
Panda 13, sorry, Panda 13. So I've got pie on my face. I have. And going down to Inman Valley at the parents. Stevie and Roland Shits' property.
We're not calling them that anymore.
Oh, we're not.
Dad doesn't want to be rolling.
Oh, okay. So, bit of added bonus footage for you.
Me eating again.
And saying shit comes.
It's true though.
Thanks for all the subscriptions on the page, on the YouTube channel. It's been a nice surprise. I think we had 200 followers in 2 weeks. That's 100 a week. So thanks for that, guys and girls. And the questions. I've been enjoying the questions. So yeah, any questions? Hit us up.
That looks
I'll
good.
just straighten it up.
Perfect.
Yeah, viewers. Well, after some, I don't know, it wasn't that hard actually. We've set up. Looks pretty good. We're in a nice shaded area. Beautiful day today here at Inman Valley. So yeah, set up. Still haven't worked out how to get this caravan level, but we'll work that out. Had a problem with the hitch, trying to get that off while I was get the car off the hitch. So some more practice may be needed at that. Yeah. Yeah. Dogs are fighting, playing. Bit of puppy shots there. So yeah, we've just set up on the property. It's bloody beautiful here, nice and quiet. Don't be too concerned about that. We're just experimenting some things. I know that's got to go on the other side where the fridge is, gives you an extension on your porch. But the sun was blaring over here, so we just decided to put it up there. This is the first time we put it up, same with the other privacy screen. Bit of dust on the way here, but we didn't get much inside. We haven't got the Dometic dust system in yet, but there was only a little bit of dust, which was good. Yeah.
Spent another night in the van, the Panda 13. Fairly comfortable. We're just having a coffee now at the
It's not level, is it?
villa. No, the van's not level, so which is fine because it's tilting towards Mark's side. So he was up against the wall, and I was in the middle of the bed this morning when we woke up. Suits me. We're pretty well set up. There's a lot that I'd like to be doing with it, but obviously I don't have the time at the moment, so I'm just kind of seeing what Mark's done and then deciding whether or not it's going to work, and I'll go from there.
Apparently toilet roll holder is not a hit.
The toilet roll holder's fine. The placement of said toilet roll holder is atrocious. And I have rectified that. Haven't we? You've moved it, haven't you?
Not yet.
It's in the process of being moved.
What's wrong with it?
I know what's wrong with it. Every time I sit down, I knock the toilet roll off with my arm.
Maybe that's saying something.
Yeah, I sit down to pee, and you don't. That's what that's saying, Mark.
Well, here we are. Haven't really got much to say.
Had a nice dinner last night.
Yeah. With the in-laws.
The parentals.
Parentals. But we haven't, no, we just set up. We're just doing a bit of shakeout. Just seeing how things work. Bought some new toys.
Not quite sure how this side flap thing works.
No, that works. It's just got to go on that side.
Shouldn't really matter though.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
But it shouldn't, because you should be able to flip it over to do either side.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Dogs are happy.
Dogs are happy. They're on guard.
Report to the viewers that when I came to the Panda 13, after it had been Sarge's Kingdom from last time, it was not up to my standards.
Because it was in modification period.
There was shit in the toilet. There was pee all round the seat and on the floor.
Was there?
Yes. There was silicone everywhere, all over the mirror, the door handles, the tap.
What mirror?
In the sink.
Oh, there's no mirror in the toilet.
No, but there's one in the sink. The bed was put away incorrectly.
Oh, God.
And there were stains on my bedside table.
That could be you.
No, Mark. We know it's not me. We know it's not me. Anyway, nothing that a good little spit and polish didn't sort out. And now the shower's lovely and clean. Ready for Sarge to stand up and pee in there again.
Let's put this to a vote, guys. Or wives and partners and girlfriends. Do the blokes have to sit down and pee in this toilet, or can they stand up? What's the preference? Please put the comments below. Because I'd like to know. Because I thought...
Is that just from the women's perspective or the partners?
Both.
Yeah.
And blokes out there. Tell me if you sit down and we like a lady.
Do it like a
lady. Yeah, let us know. That's about it. I did some maintenance or just some modifications, small ones on the what's it called? The hybrid van. So the clothesline, not that I could put anything on it because it's pissing down. Well, it's been wet. A lot of people on the, I put a photo up on the group page, on the Facebook group page, Hybrid Caravans Touring Australia. It wasn't the first one. I actually grabbed off another bloke that posted on there earlier, a step-by-step guide. So a lot of people asking how I fixed it or fastened it to the rear bedroom pod, and that's basically using riv nut inserts. I didn't even know these things existed until I did some mods on the car, putting in my bracket holders for the GoPro and the Garmin Overland GPS. Yeah, basically you drill a hole, you use the riv nut insert tool, you decide what, I guess, I'm no guru at this, but deciding what nut type, M8, M4, whatever it is, a thread and bolt or screw, and then you pop that in like a pop rivet in, and it gives you a threaded fastener, which then I put the bolts in, and missing the internal lights just, which was good because I didn't even measure, God. And it's on there nice and sturdy, as you can see. That's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. The best thing about these, instead of the pull-out ones, I think it's more space. Someone told me more room on the line. You can fold these down and then fold the pod in, which we'll try that Friday morning when I leave. So yeah, very convenient. So they'll keep Nurse happy when she hangs out my washing. Yeah. I haven't had the chance to put the kick-ass or shower on yet. That's a bit more of a, don't know if I'm skilled to do that. So we'll see how we go. Barbecue is out here still only because I had to get a bayonet fitting for the male end of the hose for the barbecue. I haven't got that yet, but I've got a double adapter which I put on there. So I just want to get a bayonet, fitting for the barbecue, and then when we can cook all in that kitchen area. I've had the best night's sleep since I've been here. Well, I've had more sleep here. I've had more sleep here than I've had the entire year, I reckon. Got up at 9 o'clock this morning, got up at 10:30 yesterday morning. I don't know if it's the bed, the country air, but when I'm at home and working, I guess a lot of crap's going through my head, but I'm up at 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning, you know, and I can't sleep past that. But out here it's just beautiful. So do yourself a favour for a bit of mental health, get out and about and off grid now and then. Anyway, so thanks for watching. It's a bit of a misordered type of episode because I was sitting in the driveway contemplating defeat on the bike rack, but yeah, ended up coming out here for a week, which has done the mind great. So do yourself a favour, get yourself out now and then. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, please comment. Love all your inputs. I'm learning just as much as everyone else out there. But we're off to York Peninsula next week, Nurse and I. I'm still on recovery leave. We're going to Gravel Bay on the beach. Should be 29 degrees, I've checked, for about 5 days. So that should be good. We'll do an episode there, do some cooking, see what else we've done to the caravan. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe, be good. If not, be good at it. Cheers. Thanks, hon.
I hate people.
I do too. You want to go in there?
I hate people that don't wear masks because I think they're
Thanks for all the subscriptions. Yeah. Thank you for all the subscriptions on the YouTube channel.
You didn't think it was going to work.
Oh, I don't know.
Obviously, read reviews on it.
Yeah, well, we'll see what happens.
I'm not sure that I can tolerate you like this today, to be honest.
Could you check my left side, please, sweetheart, to see if I'm clear?
Yeah, you're good.
Thank you, honey.